We asked to find this. Okay, in order for us to find this, we will look for letters to represent each of these boxes. So we can say that this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So let's write out the equation. Write out the equations. Okay, in writing out the equations, we have this plus this equals to this. So our A plus our B equals 24. This minus this, C minus D equals 6. And this plus this. So we have A plus C equals this. A plus C equals 15.4. Okay, and then we take this plus this. So B plus D equals this. So we have B plus D equals minus 8.6. We can say that this is equation 1. This is equation 2. This is equation 3. This is equation 4. Okay, now sum all the equations. We have to sum equation 1, 2, 3, and 4 together. So we have these A plus B plus C minus D plus A plus C plus B plus D equals the sum of all these. We have 24 plus 6 plus 15.4 plus minus 8.6. We can put our bracket here. Okay, we collect like terms at this point. Collect. When you collect like terms, all the letters of the same must be together. We collect like terms. We have this plus this. So we have our A plus A, B plus B. We have plus B plus this B here, and C plus C. C plus C. We have this minus D plus D minus D plus D equals, you add this and this and this, then this is minus. If you do that properly, you have 36.8. Okay, at this point, you notice that this and this is 2a, this and this is 2b, this and this is 2c, minus d plus d is 0, so it's gone. So we have this 36.8. What is common here is 2. So we have our 2 here, bracket open, a plus b plus c equals 36.8. We divide both sides. By 2. Okay, so we have 2 into a plus b plus c all over 2 equals 36.8 all over 2. So this and this is gone. So we have a plus b plus c equals 2 divided itself 1, divides 3 here, 1. Remember the 1 you add to this, you have 16. 2 divides 16, we have 8. And then 2 divides here is 4. You have 0.4 there. So we have 18.4. Okay. At this point, you can see that a plus b from our first equation there, our a plus b is 24. So we have this to be 24 from equation 1. Okay, so a plus b is 24. So we have that to be 24 plus c equals 18.4. So we can find our c by saying the c equals 18.4. This crosses equality sign minus 24. So our c is this minus this. We take that subtraction over here. 18. This is a lesser number than this. Because of that, we are going to have our negative sign minus. So we can take 24 on top. Our 24.0 minus, I'm putting the 0 such that it will be easier for me to subtract the 0.4. 18.4. So 0 minus 4, you have to borrow here. 3 is left here. You keep your 1 here. So your 10 minus 4 will give you 6 there. Your decimal point. Your 3 minus 8 cannot, so you kept 1 from here. Your 13. So your 13 here is remaining 1. So your 13 minus 8 is what? 13 minus 8 is 5. So you have your 5 there. So our answer here is minus 5.6 for C. from your third equation, yes, you have A plus C equals 15.4. Okay, because we know our C, it will be easier for us to know our D. So we substitute the value of C being minus 5.6 here. So we have A plus this minus 5.6 equals 15.4. So we have A minus plus times minus is minus. So we have minus 5.6 there. Okay, equals 15.4. So here we have A equals 15.4. This crosses a quality sign. We have plus 5.6. Now we can do this addition over here. So you have 15.4 plus 5.6. Your 5 here, 0.6. So your 4 plus 6 is 10. You have your 0 down. You carry your 1 here. So your 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So you have your 1 written down and carry your 1. So your 1 plus 1 here is 2. That's 21.0. Which we can take it to be 21. So our A there is 21. Now that we're able to find our A, we can find our B from equation 1. From equation 1, we have A plus B equals 24. Because we know our A, so we can find our B. So we go by saying we substitute this for 21. So we have 21 plus B equals 24. So for us to find our B here, we make B the subject of the formula. So B equals 24. 21 crosses the quality sign. It becomes minus because it's plus here. 21. So our B equals 24 minus 21 is 3. Okay, we've found our C, we have found our A, we have found our B. So we're left to find our D. So if you go to your equation 2, from equation 2, equation 2 is C minus D equals 6. Remember, you can use any of the equations to find your missing numbers. Okay, because we know our C to be minus 5.6, so we substitute that. Minus 5.6 minus D equals 6. We find our D to be minus D equals 6. This crosses the quality sign. We have plus 5.6. So a minus D there equals 6 plus 5.6. That's not a final answer. We're looking for positive D, not a negative D. So at this point, we can conclude by saying that our D, you multiply this by -1, and you multiply this by -1. So -1 times D minus D will give you D. That's why we have D there, equals 11.6 times -1 will give us minus 11 point. We've been able to find our D. Proof: A plus B equals 24. Remember, our A is 21. Our B is 3. Our C is minus 5.6. And our D is minus 11.6. Okay, so we prove this. A is 21 plus B is 3. Are we getting 21 plus 3 is 24? So we can say that's correct. Now we take C minus D. C minus D is 6 here. Our C is minus 5.6. Here minus. Our D is minus 11.6. So can we have our 6 by adding this? So we have minus 5.6 minus minus is plus 11.6. So minus and plus you have to subtract. So when you subtract these, we can write here 11.6 minus 5.6. So your 6 minus 6 is 0. 11 minus 5 is 6. Look at this. 6.0 is the same thing as 6. So this is 6 here. So we've proven that. Let's see A plus C if we are going to have 15.4. A plus C to have 15.4. Our A is 21 plus our C is minus 5.6. Okay, so we have 21 plus and minus will give us minus 5.6. So we can do that subtraction here. You have 21.0 minus 5.6. Okay, so 0 minus 6 we cannot do that, so we take 1 from here. We have 1. Now 10 minus 6 will give us 4. Have a decimal point. Remember that 0 is left here. So our 20 minus 5 will give us 15. Which is the same as this. Okay, so you can go ahead and run the other proof for this B plus D. B plus D will certainly give you this. If you understood my lesson, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.